Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your save duplicate so edits are reversible. Use the scissors tool and set snap to grid to sample or beat value. This prevents micro-timing errors. Click where the playhead sits to make the first split, then press it to toggle mix/arrange views to confirm the region boundaries. Once done, select the new regions and mute or solo them to audition the cut. Make sure to zoom further for fades or tiny trims to avoid clicks. Now you refine the edits. Apply short fades to remove clicks and use crossfades for smooth joins. Subtle 10 to 30 millisecond fades often work best. Use the glue or join commands to consolidate multiple regions when you're happy with timing, and apply flex time on complex performances to correct small drift without chopping feel. Once done, compare before and after with bypassed plugins. Make sure to toggle smart tempo if regions come from varied sources, so everything stays locked to project tempo. Finish by consolidating and bouncing the selection or entire project with offline bounce for faster exports. You'll want to scan for clipping, abrupt automation jumps, and phase issues between tracks. Use the gain plugin or trim automation curves to tame peaks. If you hear residual clicks, nudge problematic edits by 1/64th note or increase fade length slightly. Alternatively, enable transient smoothing or apply a low-pass filter on fades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.